Dubai is a city of skyscrapers, port and beaches, where big businesses take place alongside sun-seeking tourism. Because of its large expertise populations, it feels like a Middle Eastern melting pot, and the atmosphere is generally tolerant. Religious affiliations are not prominent aspect of the city life. Dubai is located on the eastern coast of the Arabian Peninsula in the southwest corner of the Arabian Gulf. Dubai is second largest emirate in the United Arab Emirates, UAE, sharing borders with Abu Dhabi in the south. Sharjah is the northeast and the Sultan of the Oman in the southeast. Jia Khan participated in Miss Polo International Beauty Contest as Miss Polo England, which was held in 𝗟𝗏𝘃𝗀𝗃 Hotel, Dubai. She won the title of Miss Polo Europe 2024 and explored Dubai's beauty and the city, which was beautiful, and the city had its own origin. She also visited Dubai Mall, Desert Safari, stayed in Dastani 7-star hotel and enjoyed the whole experience. According to Jia Khan, Dubai is a lifestyle and dreamland. We should invest in real estate of Dubai, as she's herself an ambassador for Servant Real Estate with the partnership of 𝗟𝗏𝘃𝗀𝘃 and Azizi.
My name is Jia Khan. I'm representing Miss England Polo International, and I'm here at the backstage with the makeup team. This makeup team has come just to beautify all the Miss Polo International beauties. So let's meet the owner of the beautician. Hi.
Hello.
Nice to meet you. What's your name?
I'm Usha Gandhi from India. So here is my team for the makeup and hair. So we're going to beautify you all and wish you all the best for the event.
Thank you very much. And where the audience will find you? Can you please tell me by your website or Instagram?
Yes, this is artist Usha Gandhi is my Instagram. It's a boutique account. So thank you so much for giving me this
Pleasure to be on the Zee TV.
Yes,
well, thank you so much for taking the time out and speaking to us. And I appreciate, and I'm sure once all the models look is completed, I will show you how good this makeup team is. Thank you. Let me start. Hi everyone, we are here from Zee89 TV and all the Miss Polo International Beauty Contest. All the contestants are here. They are looking gorgeous, and we have the most stunning, stylish judge here. Please, would you like to say a few words about tonight?
Yes. Good evening, everyone. My name is Her Excellency Professor 𝗟𝗏𝘃𝗀𝘃. I am the judge tonight. It is Miss Polo International 2024. So on behalf of Mrs. 𝗟𝗏𝘃𝗀𝘃, I say I wish everyone here good luck, and I hope that one person emerges the queen tonight. Thank you very much.
This is Maita. I'm from Oman. Today I'll be doing my fashion show. This is my gorgeous collection. I'll be participating in this fashion show for Miss Polo. Okay, and one of the new collection, this one. I have different style. I have abaya, I have dresses. So this is classic haute couture abaya. Thank you.
Hi, I'm here in the Polo International Beauty Contest. Good luck to all our contestants. I'm so happy I'm one of your distinguished judges for tonight. I'm Karina.